Hello everyone, welcome to the second lecture of this crash course for your PMP certification exam. So if you are into project management and you are planning to write the PMP certification exam over the next few months, this free course on YouTube will equip you with all the basic details that you need to know about the PMP certification exam. So this is a series of 14 lectures and you can view all the 14 lectures of this crash course through the link here or through the link in the description section of this video. So make sure you do not miss any of these lectures of this free course on YouTube. I am Ray, a PMP certified project manager, and I have helped thousands of PMP aspirants like you to prepare for the PMP exam efficiently and pass it on their very first attempt. You can refer to my reviews on Udemy or the mentions on my LinkedIn profile. Now please note that this course is an abridged version of my full 35-hour training course on PMP exam that is available on Udemy. So if you like this mini version, please make sure you check out the entire course that is available on Udemy. The link will be in the description section of this video as well. So this video is the second out of the 14 lessons in this course, and in this video we'll talk about what is the PMP certification. In this lecture guys, let's do a quick introduction to the PMP certification. So we'll answer questions like what is the PMP certification, how much you can expect to earn after your PMP, what value the certification carries, and a few basic details about the certification which you are planning to get hopefully within the next few months, right? So PMP, the Project Management Professional, it is the world's leading project management certification guys, okay? And it is top ranked for general project management across all the industries. So the CIO magazine, which is one of the leading business magazines of the world, has categorically called out the PMP certification as the gold standard in the project management industry. So once you are PMP certified, not only you will join the elite group of project management professionals across the globe, but also your earning potential as a project manager will increase exponentially, okay? So let's understand the earning potential of PMP certification in a bit more detail. Now, if you see this snippet from PMI website guys, it clearly states that a PMP certified project manager demands a 25% higher salary in the United States as compared to a non-PMP project manager. This figure is roughly about 18% for India and Canada. And the best part about PMP certification is once you are PMP certified, you will see the benefits of this certification growing year after year organically. So if you see this snippet right here from PMI, you will see how your earning potential can grow organically with your PMP certification every year. I will provide a link to download this entire survey report in the description section of this video. So if you wish to learn more about this survey, make sure you check out the link. But the point what I'm trying to make here guys is very clear. You should see the PMP certification as an investment in your career, which will not only generate returns in the short term, but if you keep on sharpening your skills as a project manager the right way, it will generate returns for you in the long term as well. So it's definitely a great certification to go for. So this slide captures the basic details related to the PMP certification. I would recommend that you pause the video here and go through this slide before we move on to the next lecture. I wish you all the best for your PMP exam preparation. Let me know in the comment section below if you are finding this course helpful for your PMP exam preparation, okay? And now with that, let's move on to the next lecture.